Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So last lesson we discussed what? The huruf asliya, huruf za'ida. And I told you this, that depends a lot. That is a foundation for this lesson. Okay? So this is a quick recap. These are all what? The six babs that we've done before. And there's karuma and hasiba as well. So these are the babs we've done before. Yeah? If you look at this carefully, in the madhi ma'ruf, wahid muzakkar ghaib, meaning the top right hand corner, the first one, because you have madhi, then it goes to mudari. So the top right hand corner, here, sami'a, daraba, nasara, not daraba, darabu. Are there any extra letters in here, in daraba? Fataha, nasara, sami'a, karuma, hasiba. None of those will have any extra letters. So if you look at that, from that aspect, does the first word, meaning the madhi, ma'ruf, wahid, muzakkar, ghaib, does that sigha have any extra letters or not? Does that have any extra letters or not? Depending on that, we have two types of verbs. One is called mujarrad. Mujarrad can mean what? Free, it doesn't have anything extra. So you call it mujarrad. So these babs here, these are all called mujarrad babs. You got happy only 6 babs, not 6 babs, they're 10, but 11 altogether. No, it's not 11, sorry. There's 9 and 4, 13 babs. And some people have more, but for now it's 13 main babs. So these 6 are called what? Mujarrad. Why? Because in the wahid muzakkar ghaib of the al-madhi, are there any extra letters? No. Because they are mujarrad, free from extra letters. Mujarrad literally means to be naked as well. Meaning there's nothing extra. These are completely skinned down. Fa'ala, nasara, daraba, sami, and nothing extra on it. Just a bare core. That's why it's called what? Al-fa'lul mujarrad. This is mujarrad. So the 6 babs that we've done in module 1, these are all called what? Al-mujarrad. Meaning they have no extra letters. And now in module 2, we're going to go on to mazid fi. Those verbs that have what? Extra letters. So mazid extra fihi in it. Okay? Make sense? Are you following? So module 1 was all mujarrad babs. Those babs which have no extra letters. And now we're going to go to mazid fi, that in the wahid muzakkar of the al-madhi, the top right hand corner, you will find extra letters. So if you look at it here, these are 2 types of babs. These are called the mujarrad babs. So fataha, sami'a, daraba, nasara, karuma, hasiba. Okay? These babs don't have any extra letters inside. Meaning the wahid muzakkar ghaib of the madhi ma'ruf. Just plain and bare. Okay? Now these babs you can do later on. You can learn them now. You learn them one by one. When you learn them one by one in module 2, automatically you learn their names. So they call, these are the names of the babs. Okay? For example, taf'il. You go through one for now. So in here, these babs don't have names in mujarrad. We just name it after a common verb. In the mazid fi, we name the bab after the masdar. That's a good look for you. That in mazid fi, all the masdars are the same. In mujarrad, you have darban, rahmatan, khusranan, sukhriyatan, karahiyatan. There's no pattern. In here, this bab is named after the masdar because every single verb on this pattern will have the same masdar taf'il. And this pattern, every single bab will have the masdar on this pattern of mufa'ala and if'al, tafa'ul. Are you following me? Do you understand? So, this bab is named after the masdar. So you call it bab taf'il because the masdar of this bab comes in the pattern of taf'il. And the mazi of this bab, for example, is fa'ala. Not fa'ala, what is it? Now is this mujarrad or mazid fi? Mazid fi. Not mujarrad. Mujarrad means it has no extra letters. Because it has an extra letter, what's the extra letter in here? The tashdid, the extra fa'ala. So it's mazid fi. Same here, fa'ala, what's extra in here? Yeah. And the extra means what? The extra that happens on the fa'lul madhi of the wahid muzakkar ghaib. Because if not, everything has extra letter. Daraba is extra. Darabu is extra. I said no. Go to the right, top right hand, go to the first one. Go all the way to the top, wahid, madhi ma'ruf. In that one, if you look in there, is there any extra in here or not? If there's extra, you call it what? What do you call it? Mazid fi. If there's no extra, what do you call it? Mujarrad. So, all verbs are of 2 types. There's 6 babs of mujarrad and there are 9 babs of mazid fi. Okay. Now here we have numbers. See these numbers here? The most commonly used English dictionary that I know of is this one, the Hansware. So what happens now is that they use you can refer back to a dictionary. We've got a dictionary how to use a video how to use the Hansware. You can look at that as well as explained there. But a brief recap is that these babs are not named taf'il in there. They're named after this one, number 2. And they have these actual letters. The Roman numerals are used. So you have 2, 3. You don't have 1 because 1 I guess is assumed to be mujarrad. And it starts from 2 onwards, 2 all the way till 10. And then these are the codes that they use. The code is bab number 2, bab number 3, bab number 4. If somebody's watching and they're doing it in Urdu, then they won't use this order. They probably start from a different order. They probably do these babs first. But this is how we do it on the bab, on this number structure based on the dictionary we're going to use. So that's easier, sticks in your mind. So bab number 2 refers to this bab. Number 3 refers to this bab. 4 refers to this bab. Okay? And this is the symbols you will find in a dictionary. Okay? You got it? Yeah? So the keywords are al-mujarrad, meaning it has no extra letters. And the opposite to that is what? Al-mazid fi. And mazid fi, mujarrad, how many babs altogether? 6. And mazid fi are from 2 to 10, meaning 9 babs. And they are named according to the Roman numerals. And each bab's masdar has the same masdar. So that's much easier for you. You don't have to learn masadir of the mazid fi. Mujarrad, well, you've got to learn them. Okay? Any questions? Do you understand? Yeah?
Give us some examples of the mazid fi.
You'll get the examples. When you start module 2, you see them. Each, let's say you had a module 1, all the examples of the verbs. They'll be full of 10, 12 verbs of each bab. Okay? So you'll get them as you go along. Once you finish module 1, you get the module 2 and have all the verbs inside of there. And you can then practice according to that.
So this lesson is more gateway towards...
Yes, this is basic introduction to module 2. And then, as I said before, in module 1, we done all the main stencils, the surface saghir, madhi ma'ruf, mudhari ma'ruf, madhi majhul, mudhari majhul, amar, nahi, ism fa'il, ism maf'ul. You have to do that for this one as well. So bab taf'il, you have to do all 8 of those. 2, 4, 6, 8. All 8 stencils of the mufa'ala. All 8 stencils of bab ifal. And I'll go through a bit more detail inshallah as you go along. Okay? Subhanallah bihamdi, subhanallah wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.